Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Center. Please join us in conversation.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. I'm having a great day here at the Automotive Training Center in Surrey, British Columbia. I am enjoying the conversation with people that are passionate about their education. They are really enjoying the programs they're involved in. They know the instructors that are put in front of them are experienced people, and they also know that the other end of this, there's a job waiting for them, and that's exactly what the regulated colleges are great at, and the Automotive Training Center is a big part of that. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself and tell me about your pathway before you became a student here?
Everybody is friendly. That is very important. His teacher is very, very professional. He's working. He's very nice. He show me a lot of things because a lot of newcomers come in this country and we don't know anything for my old occupation is completely different. You know, we are completely different workers. But here is a lot of newcomers, and I am newcomer in Canada. Everybody is very friendly, very help people. It's good.
Yeah. What did you do beforehand?
Anesthesiologist.
You were an anesthesiologist?
Yeah.
Back in Turkey?
Back in Turkey.
So you're an anesthesiologist in Turkey,
Yeah.
and you've decided to switch careers into the automotive sector.
Yeah.
Were you passionate about cars before?
It's almost same. We are working the human body. Right now we are working the auto body. But the auto body is better than the human body because you make any fault in the human body, you don't fix it. But you make the fault in the auto body, you spend little bit money and you spend little bit time to fix that problem.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are your skills as an anesthesiologist, is it similar to being a, okay, you have to diagnose things, you have to solve things?
It's completely different.
Yeah?
The first one. But that is my second life and second chance. And that's why I am running for my dream. My dream is working just old rear car before maybe 1990, before 1980.
Right.
Yeah, that's why I started this school. And I am happy for that. It's very nice. I have a beautiful teacher. Jay is very nice guy. He's very friendly, very kind people. And he has every answer for my question. That is very important for me. It's good.
Yeah. How long have you been in the course so far?
It's 1 year program.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how many months have you been in it?
It's my program last 2 weeks for done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Almost done, yeah.
You're almost done.
Yeah.
Do you feel that you've got good confidence now to work on cars?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. The first one, my teacher, Jay, is bringing a lot of different car in the shop. We see a lot of different high quality car, that is important. And we have the car every time inside the shop for working, that is good. Yeah, I like that it's school. And office worker is very gentle, very professional, is very friendly.
Right.
Yeah. It's good. We don't have any problem right now.
What does the perfect job look like for you when you graduate? What do you want to do with all of this?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, so when you graduate,
Yeah.
you say you want to work on cars, rare cars from the 90s type thing. Any specific type of cars you want to work on?
It doesn't matter. Old American rear car, European, Japanese, doesn't matter. I have one Integra right now. I am working for that 2000 Integra.
Yeah.
I don't like the electrical car because I need sound, gas smell. And old car don't have any electrical space.
Right.
Don't have any electrical computer. I don't like the computer. I am outdoor people.
Right.
I don't like too much technology.
Yeah. You like the older cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
I like that.
big engine, manual transmission,
Yeah.
and heavy body.
Are you looking to have your own shop to work on these?
Yeah, but I don't have any experience for this job.
Right.
Yeah, that's why maybe I work to maybe trial in the marketplace in that
Yeah.
sector. After that, I opened one shop.
An absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcenter.com.